We are back with another Primark haul. It is the Primark in Birmingham. It is the biggest in the world, which is my local one. Thank the Lord. I know that we're coming out of lockdown and we can now kind of go out and about, but I know a lot of people will be opting for kind of summer garden parties. So I thought of trying to recreate these Pinterest ideas of this palette garden dinner party. So I've got a few little bits from Primark. I only ended up spending £30, and then everything else I'm going to use stuff that I've already got, and most of the stuff I've already got is actually from Primark from my first haul. This tablecloth. Now I think it's an indoor tablecloth, but it's really thick and it's absolutely huge. That was only £8. And I think that's really good because it's actually really huge, really nice quality. And they had loads of kind of matching bits, which is why I kind of went into the whole garden decor thing. Little lunchbox or just a little cooler bag. And I thought it was just so cute. It's tiny, but you could fit some snacks in there if you're going to the park, kids snacks, even be a lunchbox for someone. But it all really matches. And this was only £4. Garden cushions. Now I only bought 2 and I wish I'd have bought 4, but they're just so cute. I thought the pattern was really nice. All the kind of navy and white matches all with the other stuff, the tablecloth and the cooler. £8 for 2, so £4 each. And they have the strings, so if you have kind of outdoor garden chairs, you can just tie them. But I thought they would be really cute just to pop on the floor. It's that really nice kind of cotton material. And the backs are just plain, but just so cute. And I think for outdoors in the summertime, for chairs or on the floor, I thought it'd be a really cute idea. Now there was loads of really great garden games, and this is only £9 and they're all wooden. Skittles? It's basically like bowling, isn't it? But it's really cute, and when you open it up, they're all wooden. I think the dog tried to chase this a little bit, but all wooden, and then just really, really cute. And these will last, like £9 and they'll last. And they're great for garden parties. There's loads of others. There's like snakes and ladders and all those kind of really fun garden parties. These could tend to be really expensive, so I thought that was quite a bargain. And then the last thing I bought, £1 for this candle. And this candle smells just insane. Juniper and jade, burns up to 16 hours. Now it's only small, but £3.50 down to £1. And the packaging is so cute and it just smells so good. You can't beat Primark candles, really can't. So just a little kind of decor piece to when we go on top of the table. Yeah, that's all I got. I think it came to just under £30, so pretty good going for me. Right, so I've jazzed it up a little bit. I've kind of gone for more of a picnic party vibes. I saw the palette idea on Pinterest, and funnily enough, we actually had a spare palette in our garden. It is a bit broken, but just for the sake of the video, I think it looks really, really good. The plates are actually from Wilko's, but practically everything else on the table is from Primark, including the lantern and the placemats. And then obviously the new stuff with the candle, the cooling bag, pillows, and the tablecloth. I know a lot of people are opting to have little garden parties rather than going out, so this kind of thing in the nice heat would be perfect. Yeah, that is it. Hope you like the end result. And yeah, go have a little shop in Primark because there's some good bits.